Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Jubilife Muffin recipe. First, you'll need to be playing Pokémon Legends, Arceus. The recipe is obtained by completing a specific request in Jubilife Village. You'll want to find an NPC named Floro, who will give you request 48, titled The Taste of Home. This quest is essential for unlocking the recipe. Floro is located in his house within Jubilife Village. You can usually spot a request icon over his house on your map. He's looking to bake a treat for his Eevee and will ask you to gather some specific ingredients. This request becomes available once you've progressed to Mission 10 in the main story, so make sure you're far enough along. To help Floro, you'll need to gather 3 specific items. You'll need 3 hardy grains, which can often be found in the Crimson Mirelands or by destroying haystacks. Next, collect 2 hopo berries, typically found on yellow-berried trees. Finally, you'll need 1 raspberry, which is quite common and can be found on many trees. Once you have all the ingredients, return to Floro in Jubilife Village. After a brief conversation, he will reward you with the Jubilife Muffin recipe. You can then use this recipe at any crafting bench or your portable crafting kit to make these delicious treats. Jubilife muffins are great for curing status conditions and can even lure Pokémon.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.